Hello, my name is Ava Jablonski, and I'm a Girl Scout going into 9th grade. I know we're all probably very bored right now, so I am going to show you 2 easy science experiments that you can conduct in your own house. The materials you will need to conduct this experiment are dish soap, a plate, assorted food coloring, a Q-tip, and milk. The first thing you should do is pour the milk into the dish and start placing your food coloring all around the plate. Now you should take your dish soap and a Q-tip and put a tiny bit of dish soap on the top of the Q-tip. Now just place the Q-tip on the colors and you can watch the colors make cool designs. Now with this, you can experiment and put more colors to make more cool patterns. Now how does this work? Milk has something called fat in it, and this fat is held together by bonds. The food coloring rests on top of the fat bonds. Now think of what dish soap does. Dish soap is put on plates and dirty dishes to separate the grease and oil. So, as a result, when you put the dish soap onto the food coloring, it separates the fat and you see all your milk make a cool design. For the dry erase animation experiment, you will need water, a glass bowl or plate, and a dry erase marker. However, make sure that your bowl or plate is glass or else it will not work. This is the more difficult experiment. The first thing that you're going to do is grab your dry erase marker and draw any picture you'd like on the bottom of the glass bowl. I am just going to draw a heart. And now you have to just make sure that there are no streaks and that all the lines are connected. To make sure that the lines are all connected, go over the drawing a few times. Now this step is a little bit more difficult and it's very important. So you take your water and you put it on the bottom of the bowl like this, and then slowly move it up to the top. Because what's going to happen is the water is actually going to go underneath the picture. So you have to make sure you go very slowly. And it lifts up the picture. Now after a few tries, this is what it should look like. It may take a while, but you can play around with the shapes, colors, designs. And that's what it looks like. So how does it work? Well, the marker leaves behind a pigment and a type of alcohol. This type of alcohol dissolves when water hits it, leaving behind the pigment, which turns into a solid. Since glass is so smooth, the solid slides right off when it gets wet. So that is all that I have today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I really hope you try these experiments at home. Bye!